Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powders. So here are the powders that I will be using today. These are from the brand Cushion Pro and Nicole Diary. And here are the close-up look of the powders. So the first one is in the shade Ink Blue from Cushion Pro. And the next is again from Cushion Pro, and this is in the shade Cherry Red. And lastly, from the brand Nicole Diary, and this is in the shade NDD17. And this is a beautiful red and blue glitter mix. And for the liquids, I will be using the Future Nails base as well as their activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Miss Nails Snow White top coat. So to start off, I will be applying nail dehydrator to all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. So then next, I move on to my Future Nail base. So I apply a thin layer of this to my nail and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and top up the excess. So I will be using my Cushion Pro in the shade Ink Blue on my pointy and pinky nails. So I'll let you guys watch me do 3 coats of this Ink Blue and I'll be back. So once I'm finished with the third coat of Ink Blue, I brush off all the excess powder and move on to the next shade, which is the Cherry Red from Cushion Pro. So I will be applying this on my ring and thumbnail. So again, I will be applying 3 coats of these shades on my nails and I will be back. So once I'm finished with the third coat of Cherry Red, I move on to the beautiful glitters from Nicole Diary. And again, I apply a thin layer of the base to my middle nail and immediately dip my nail into the powder and top off the excess. And I will be applying 3 coats of this shade on my middle nail. This powder is very beautiful and it's very inexpensive. I got this one from eBay and I actually got few of Nicole Diary dip powders. And they do have a lot of glitter mix, but the only thing is the pot is really small. So if you have a really long nails, you probably wouldn't be able to dip your nails into the powder because the pot is really tiny. So then once I'm finished with the third coat of this glitter mix, I brush up all the excess powder and move on to my clear powder to encapsulate the colors and the glitter. As I always said, I highly recommend you clear encapsulate your nails because it will protect your colors and your glitters from filing and buffing. So then once I'm finished with the clear, I brush up all the excess powder and move on to my activator. So I apply a generous amount of the activator to all of my nails. This will harden the powder and make it ready for filing. So then after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera, and then I brush up all the dust and clean my nails with alcohol spray. And then next I move on to my Miss Nails Snow Wipe top coat. So I apply 2 layers of this on my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. So once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil to rehydrate my nails, and we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this manicure, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.